Okay, guys, this is the 15-minute, the new 15-minute strategy. Right? Basically, I'm just going to show you 3 recordings. But basically, what you're going to look for, Stephanie, this might be the one for you. I say this because I know you're no good at scalping. You struggle with scalping. So I think this might be the better setup for you. Add it to, you know, what the video I did yesterday. I think MT's going to play that tomorrow. He might have to play this one, you know, after it. Okay. Alright, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to look at the 15-minute time frame first, and you're going to look for BB band flips, ups and down, right, and you're going to look for blues, okay, and yes, sometimes there'll be strong chains, okay. Let's go and have a look then. Just have a few recordings. Okay, where are we? Right. This is the kind of thing, go on, you're going to be looking for. Okay, right, first of all, before we get going, flipped up 15-minute BB band here. Okay, with the trend. Was that the one there? 1 hour orange line? Here. Right, flip down 15-minute BB band there. With trend, 4 hour orange line. See it, Steph? Bang. Okay, you get a blue. You can take this, right, what I would do when going against the trend, because these are basically against, they appear against the flow. You can see the flow is strong there, so you get a 15-minute blue with the trend, alright. Flow is strong here, so you get a 15-minute blue. Okay, so they appear up against the flow, right? That was a strong move, so 15-minute blue. Okay, you see here, these weren't really strong moves, it's mucking about. No 15-minute blues. There's probably one hiding behind that. Right. Okay, so you can take these with momentum, but make sure, you know, like I would have said, outside 148 and daily. Okay, it's going to give more. It's going to be a sizable bounce, Stephanie Darwin. So I mean, here I would be thinking definitely going to go for more than 12 pips, which is basically a shoe stole. You understand? So just get your momentum and bang, get it. Okay, here, flipped up. I know it looks as though it's coming down, but if you look from here to here, that's still a sizable flip up. Has it gone more than 12 pips? Gone from below 60 to 70, 80, yep, more than 12 pips. Alright. Justo. Okay, 1 hour orange line here. Yeah, I know you're getting some reversal signals in, but you're going to get a bounce. 15-minute flipped up kind of BB band here. Excuse me, let's get going. Oh, yeah, might worry a bit there. Not too worried there. Again, G, look, nice. Oh, flip down here. 15-minute BB band. Again, it's the G card. You might not want to trade the G card. It's entirely up to you guys, but we do. You know, when you get a good, decent setup on it, they do perform quite well. There you go, GJ, definite winner. The GU again. There was no blue here. Look what happened. 15-minute back up off the 15-minute orange line. Okay, again, you're gonna get a shoe stow off that, guys. That's the way you've got to think. Will I get a shoe stow off it? Because this shoe stow's 18 pips. GCAD, look, yes, it went back up a bit here, but then back. Okay, golden ticket number 1 of sorts. And eventually a nice winner. Okay, again, you could have taken this down. You had plenty of blues, broke the 1 hour. Green to back up 15-minute signal, but I mean, to me, if you're just going to do this, Stephanie, and you just want to do the trending moves, then look for the 15-minute you know, setups, like if there's no blues against you, 15-minute orange line, 15-minute flip up BB bands, you know, or strong golden ticket setups. Right, quickly, come on, cracking on. this one here, look, down. Again, 15 minute orange line. Is that the UCAD? No, sorry, this one. 1 hour orange line, Steph. Bang. You know, you could have said 1 hour orange line, I'm going to take this. You've got a Schuster in there, easily. You know? But you were looking here. 15 minute time frames. Okay, you got a 15 minute blue there. Some kind of, well, you were outside all 4. Again, you could have taken that if you wanted to. If not, you could have just stick with the trend trades. Look at this one. It is some kind of flipped up 15 minute BB band. Where are we? Oh, 1 hour flipped up BB band. Yes, it's gonna give 12 pips. Trust me, and a 12 pip move is 18 pips to you. Bang. In fact, it was huge in the end. Okay, so this is what to look for. Alright, dead simple. Flip ups on the 15 minute time frame, flip downs, blues. Okay, then just allocate a golden ticket setup to it. Right, February 19th. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I do not, guys, want this to be too big because yesterday's was, and I just want to get this off to NT so we can play this after. You know, that video there. Right, I think it was the CADs on this. The difference. Oh, excuse me. Just have a drink. Yeah, it's the flips. Okay, again, we're looking for the flips. It's a trending move, Stephanie. Right, I know we've got all this here. You can ignore it. I mean, it's a good setup, to be honest with you. But again, there's no blues. So you could say to yourself, oh, I'm going to ignore it. And when we get to here, I will take it down. Okay? Same with the GU, I'll ignore it. Let this BB band come up. And I'll take it up from there. The trending moves, basically. I mean, they were golden ticket setups. You could have taken them, you know, and you would have got shoes, those. Alright, let's look for these flips. Here we go. There, look. You know, this one is flip up here. Okay, you're not on the what do you call it there, but there was no blues against you here, so you could have taken it off the orange line again there. Look here, look. 15 minute. Ah, dear. So definite shoe still there. Definite GCAD shoe still there. Look at this here. Strong. Very, very strong. It's only a 1 hour red, so again, it's up to you. You could have taken that. Keep an eye on this BB one here. It's going to come up. There, you see. Stefan, look where you was. Golden ticket number 2. And again, will it do 12 pips? So it's gone 10 to 25, so it went 15. It'll probably go a lot more. Let's have a look. Yep. See? So you would have got a shoe stuff. Look at the GJ there, because of how strong it was. Off the orange line. And again, you know, you've got a Schuster in there, you've got a Schuster in there, you've probably got one in there as well. And this is just looking for the BB band flips, guys. Down, up, or blues. Right, and then just looking over here and seeing if you've got a golden ticket setup. You know, even this one now, this 15 minute flipped up BB band, look where you are. 8 hour orange line, and it's trending. You know, golden ticket number 1 as well. You could take that. In fact, I probably would have. Probably did. Ooh, would have got me though. Anyway, right, 15 minute blue this time. Yep, outside 04. You could have taken it, you know. Personally, I'd be looking, if anything, for it down now. Maybe up here off this and then down. Alright, off the 5 minute, but again, Stephanie, you're just looking for these BB band flips. Look, GU, back on the 15 minute BB band here. Okay, take it. With the trend, will it give a shoe still? That's all you need to ask yourself, Stephanie. You get a 12 pip move, it's 18 pips, right? If you get 3 of them a day, Steph, that's 54 pips. You know, again, another one GJ there. Could have taken there's no blues again here, so you could have taken any of these down off the orange line. Again, I suppose you could have taken the G-cab, but again, the G-cab, just leave it alone if you're not sure with the G-cab. Use the other 3 pairs, these 2 in particular. Alright, so just one more. We will do October the 15th, the daughter's birthday. Where are we? Come on, me. As I say, it's dead simple. All you're looking for is BB band flip ups. Straight away here. And 15 blues, and then just allocate the golden ticket setup to it. Okay, this might want to come down a bit more to the 1 hour orange line, but just be aware, guys, they don't always do that, because sometimes it'll turn here and then this line will go up and meet that. Understand? So, you know, it's just something to be aware of. Okay. G-cab, look where you are here. This might want to go to the 8 hour orange line, so if it keeps going up, you haven't got a golden ticket, then fine, it'll definitely come down from the orange line there. Alright, let's crack on. Yep, look, going. This one's actually working. Probably will bounce back up. I think this is just, you know, the reaction of the 4 hour BB band here, so it'll probably go up to the 8 hour orange line. Okay, but then again, because I mean, you've got to look at this, guys, and say, well, it is a strong golden ticket setup, you know. So if you took that, you've got a shoe stop, right? You can take it up with this off the 4 orange line from above. Okay, GU 15 flipped up BB band. Let's crack on. Yep, winner. See. This one, yep, flipped up 5 minute BB band. Probably going to go up from here now. Have a look. Yep, well, it got down a little bit more here, didn't it? But it went. And again, we'll just flip on quickly. So it's not hard, this one, guys. Oh, look at this again. No blue here, and look what happened. 15 minute orange line. Okay, and the GJ, sorry, the G-cab, just look what it's done all day. No blue. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. That's all they do. No blues. Look here again. Really struggled to reverse. This one now, though, well, broke that again, broke the 8 again, 4 again. This might be done now. I'm probably going to come down. I've seen this before where they do that and then they fake and then they shoot down. So we'll let it go. See, yeah. Now you see how the line's now coming down to meet it. It kind of happens, guys, and again there you've seen it there because the GU shot up. Look, the line went up to meet it. Okay, but Stephanie, these are trending moves that I've been showing you, but you can go against the trend with strong setups, darling, because at the end of the day you're only after a 12 pip move, Stephanie. Yes, you're going to need momentum, but if you just want to do the trending moves, darling, just do the trending moves. You know, and just bear in mind also what I told Moneymaker a while back, that the bigger the time frame your trade is on, the bigger the move, which means you can, like with this one off the 8 hour orange line here, 4 hour BB band. Okay, this move here, it's a full diving. You know, so it would have been a 60 pipper, Steph. Darwin, you as well, mate. You know, if you look for these now as your starting points again, Darwin, you'll be back on track, mate, honestly. Okay. Alright, and basically that is it, guys. It was just another little add-on to the last video, but I think if you look at it this way, using your 15 minute time frame and looking for BB band flips, 15-minute blues, or the lack of 15-minute blues, and then looking for the trending move, or a strong golden ticket setup like we had with that UCAD to take it up there. Okay, we did have this, here, right? Then I think you will, become a safe trader. I don't think this is the 5-minute time frame for Stephanie Darwin. You've struggled with it, the pair of yourself. Go to the 15-minute and look for these. Again, here you could have flipped up 15-minute BB man. Will it go 12 pips this? Well, it's 55. It's already gone 12. Let's see if there's any more, even though it's against the trend. Yeah, it did. And it went 78 pretty much there, didn't it? So 55, 28. With a 23 pip, you'd have definitely got 12 pip moving now. Okay, and the GJ again, look, flips up 15-minute BB bands. 97, 19, 22 pip move there. Definitely got a shoe still in. Okay. See, flipped up 15-minute BB band. Okay, and that was that bias kicking in again. So you had everything on the UCAD. You could have taken it down here with the trend. You could have taken it up there with the bias. You could have taken it down again with the trend, basically the golden ticket number 2s, and then up again with a strong bias. So the golden ticket there worked perfectly. Okay, down, up, and each one of those was at least a shoe stole. Alright, and you have this GJ here, wonderful trade, the GU here, wonderful trade. Okay, just based on the 15-minute time frames. Okay guys, Stephanie, focus on this down, focus, look here first, then look up here, say, oh yep, 1 hour orange line, boom, flipped up 15-minute BB band, momentum, 1 hour orange line, boom, winner. Flipped up 15-minute BB band, momentum, 1 hour orange line, golden ticket, some kind of golden ticket, well, a strong golden ticket setup, boom, with the trend, boom. Okay, Steph, Darwin, you'll be back on track, moneymaker again. This will help you as well. I think you guys tend to, and maybe Martini Girl as well. You guys tend to not be able to dive in or master the scalping, so this might be the strategy for you. Alright, it's dead simple guys. Look for the BB band flips, allocate a golden ticket set up to it. Okay, look for a 15-minute blue, allocate a golden ticket set up to it. Okay, that's it.